Hi friends, in today's video tutorial, we would study how to prepare this geometry in AutoCAD 2025. So before we start with the drafting, let us spend some time in analyzing this geometry and trying to see how we will proceed with the drafting. After analyzing this drawing carefully, I feel that the best way to proceed with this drafting would be to begin this in the front view. So we'll begin this drawing from here and create this profile. Afterwards, we'll also draw two X lines and create these two semicircles. Join it with the lines, extrude the base plate and the mid plate, and our geometry would be complete. So let me show you how we'll proceed with the drafting. So the first thing which we'll do is we'll change the view to the front view. So now we are in the front view. We'll begin by using the P-line command. We'll first click over here and draw a line of 6 units. Hit enter. Then to the left, 12 units. Hit enter. Then upwards, 18 units. Hit enter. Then to the right, 56 units. Hit enter. Then down, 18 units. Hit enter. Then to the left, 12 units. Hit enter. Then on the top, 6 units. Hit enter. And finally, C for close to join with the starting point. So our front view profile is now ready. Now the next thing which we'll do is we'll create two construction lines. So we'll type XL for beginning the construction line and we'll make one vertical construction line this way. Hit enter and again XL and make one horizontal construction line this way and hit enter. Then we'll move the horizontal construction line upward to a distance of 63 units. Hit enter. And the vertical construction line will move to the right at a distance of 100 unit and hit enter. So we get this point. Now this point is nothing but the center point of this particular circle. So we'll draw one line from here of 36 units. So again I use the P-line command and from here we'll draw one line of 36 units. Hit enter. Then we'll join that line over here. Hit enter. Join that line over here. Hit enter. Join the line over here. Hit enter. Now here we have to join it with this line over here. So what we'll do is we'll erase the two construction lines. We erase this and we also erase this construction line. And we'll draw one line of 25 units down. So we draw one line from here, 25 units down, and then join it with this line over here. Now we'll use the join command to join these lines. So we select the lines and we type join. And now it is joined. Now we use the isometric view. So now we are in the isometric view and we will first extrude this profile to a thickness of 75 units. So we use the extrude command and then we click on this geometry, hit enter and move it to a distance of 75 units, hit enter and change this to shades of gray. We'll turn the grid line off by pressing F7 and then this geometry is there. we'll extrude this to a thickness of 12 units and hit enter. And then we'll move it to the center. So we select this geometry and we click on the center of this and move it to the center of this plane. So this is ready. Now we want to draw this circle which is of 22 dia. So we select circle and center diameter, and first we activate this plane, and then after activating that plane we click here. Ensure that the plane is correctly selected. Center diameter, select the plane, then click here and draw a circle of 22 dia and hit enter. And again we'll draw one more circle. So activate this, click over here and 36 dia and hit enter. Now next, what we'll do, we'll extrude this outer circle to a thickness of 25 units. So we select extrude and select this outer circle, hit enter and give a thickness of 25 units and press enter. Now we select this geometry Now we select this object, and the circle and use the union command and club it into one entity. Then we use the press pull and select this inner circle and bring it downward so that we get a cut. You can use the freeform orbit and see if you have got a cut. Now we have to give these two cuts in the object. So again we'll press escape to come out of it, and then we'll use the circle and the center diameter command. Activate this, come over here and give the diameter as 12 units, hit enter. And then you have to move it inwards to a distance of 15 units, which is given here. So we type move, hit enter. Select the object to move is this circle, hit enter. Center point of the circle is this, and move it inward to a distance of 15 units and hit enter. So we use the move command, select the circle, hit enter, specify the base point and move it to a distance of 15 units, hit enter. And then center to center, the two circles distance is 45. So we say copy, select this circle, hit enter, click on the base point and distance is 45 and hit enter. Press escape. Now we have to give a cut. So use press pull, select this object, move it down, we get a cut. Select this, move it down, so we get a cut. And our geometry is now complete. You can press escape. You can use the free orbit tool and view your drawing in all possible directions to get a complete view of this geometry. So friends, hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.